Congratulations! You have just completed 3 full weeks of the 30-day English challenge. Think back to where you were 21 days ago. Perhaps you were nervous about simple greetings, or maybe you struggled to introduce yourself. Now look at you. You have navigated the complexities of daily routines, workspace communication, asking for directions, shopping for groceries, and even explaining health issues to a doctor. 3 weeks is the amount of time it takes to build a habit, and you have built a powerful one. You aren't just a student anymore, you are becoming an English speaker. Today is day 21, our week 3 review. We aren't going to learn brand new grammar today. Instead, we are going to test your reflexes. We will revisit the past tense, navigation, commerce, and health. This is the moment where we move from theory to reality. Are you ready to see how much you've grown? Let's dive into our review. Before we jump into our scenarios, let's quickly refresh the 4 pillars of this past week. First, the past tense. Remember, most verbs are regular, you just add ed. I walk becomes I walked. However, we also encountered those tricky, irregular verbs. I go becomes I went, and I buy becomes I bought. When we talk about our past, we use these to tell a story. Second, we mastered directions. When you are lost, you need the big 3: turn left, turn right, and go straight. We also learned about landmarks. Remember to use next to, across from, and behind to describe exactly where a building is located. Third, we went shopping. We practiced the difference between how much is this for a single item and how much are these for multiple items. We also learned how to ask for different sizes or colors. Remember the phrase, do you have this in a medium? Or do you have this in blue? Finally, yesterday we covered health. We learned that I have a headache describes a condition, while my head hurts describes a feeling. We practice body parts from our head to our toes. Take a deep breath. These are the tools in your toolkit. In the next section, I'm going to put you in situations where you have to use them all at once. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on being understood. Let's start with a navigation challenge. You are standing in front of a post office. You need to get to the pharmacy because you have a bad cough. You see a local person. First, how do you catch their attention politely? You should say, "Excuse me." Now ask them where the pharmacy is. "Excuse me, where is the pharmacy?" Or, "How do I get to the pharmacy?" The person tells you, "Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. It's across from the park." Repeat that back to me to make sure you understood. Go straight for 2 blocks, turn left, across from the park. Perfect, you found the pharmacy. Now you are inside, the pharmacist asks, "How can I help you?" You need to describe your symptoms from yesterday's lesson. Tell them you have a sore throat and a fever. You should say, "I have a sore throat and a fever." You should say, "I have a sore throat and a fever." The pharmacist points to a bottle of medicine. You want to know the cost, ask the price. "How much is this?" or "How much does this cost?" They say it's $10. You want to pay with a credit card. Ask if that's okay. Do you take credit cards? Or can I pay by card? Excellent. Next scenario. You are buying a shirt for a friend. You found a shirt you like, but it's a small and your friend needs a large. Find the shop assistant and ask for the right size. "Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a large?" The assistant says, "Yes, we do. Would you like to try it on?" You don't need to try it on. How do you say no politely? "No, thank you." Or, "No, that's okay." Now imagine you bought this shirt yesterday, but you realized today it has a hole in it. You go back to the store. You need to use the past tense. Tell them, "I bought this yesterday, but it is broken." "I bought this shirt yesterday, but there's a hole in it. Can I exchange it?" Great use of the past tense. Last scenario, you are meeting a friend for coffee. They ask, how was your weekend? You want to tell them 3 things. You went to the park, you ate pizza, and you saw a movie. Try to say that now. I went to the park, I ate pizza, and I saw a movie. This shows you can link your past actions together to have a real conversation. During this week, we saw that English isn't always logical. Irregular verbs are the bricks of the language that don't fit the pattern. Let's review the 5 most difficult ones from this week. Repeat them after me, present, and then past. Number 1, to think. I think today, yesterday I thought. Number 2, to bring. I bring my bag. Yesterday I brought my bag. Number 3, to leave. I leave the house. Yesterday I left the house. Number 4, to speak. I speak English. Yesterday I spoke English. Number 5, to understand. I understand you. Yesterday I understood you. These OUGHT endings and vowel changes can be tricky, but if you can master these 5, you will sound significantly more fluent. You've handled the hardest parts of week 3 with grace. You have reached the end of week 3. You should be incredibly proud of yourself. To celebrate and solidify your knowledge, here is your day 21 challenge. I want you to write a short diary entry about your past week. It only needs to be 4 or 5 sentences. Try to use at least 1 past tense verb, 1 direction word, and 1 health or shopping word. For example, on Tuesday, I went to the store. I turned left at the bank. I bought some fruit, but today, my stomach hurts. Write your diary entry in the comments section below. I will be reading them and cheering you on. This kind of creative writing helps your brain connect the words you've learned to your real life. You have completed day 21. We have only 9 days left in our challenge. Next week, we are moving into the final stage, the future and beyond. Tomorrow, for day 22, we will learn how to talk about your plans, dreams, and intentions using will and going to.